9 halls filled with 1,000 exhibitors and visitors from over 130 different nations.
This is music for the soul.
Get on your knees. Came from the jungle, up in the tree.
Obviously, 4 days don't nearly cut it to explore all there is to discover here at DOMOTEX, and that is exactly why we have prepared for you a Best of DOMOTEX 2024. Enjoy!
Myself on display. 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way, on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way, on my way.
DOMOTEX is the most important for us.
There is no other international exhibition that focuses on flooring.
That's the ideal platform to show, present and reflect the latest news and trends from us.
So almost every discussion leads to a sale, which is what we want, what we're here for.
And it's great for business, but also it's great for the human soul. You know, it's connecting together with each other.
So there they were, our absolute highlights of this year's DOMOTEX. I hope you got to experience them for yourselves, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Take care, everyone.